I thought I would rerun this test during the daytime. So this setting right here, according to my chart, is 510 RPM. See if I can get my phone to stay. Alright, let's try it. So 510 is good. 510 is good. Let's see. Let's go to. This should be 710. That didn't sound too bad. Let's go to 1010. Let's see, it's straight up and okay. So I have disconnected or put the quick change in neutral, so neither the power feed nor the threading, neither one of those spin right now, to try to lessen the amount of load on the start on this thing. So let's see if this works. So 1010 RPM works. Let's go over to the 1800. Actually, you know what I want to do is I want to try the fastest back gear. So let's see, 200. Well, let's try the fastest high gear, which is 200. Go all the way over there. And okay, so this is the fastest. 200 RPM is the fastest when you're in high gear. See that? Must have less starting load when you do that, because that started up real nice and sounded really good. Okay, so the 1800 setting is here and here. So that's the 1800 setting. Now if I put it in low, get it to go into low. Oh, there we go. There we go. So that's 285. I need to add some oil to this thing, but that sounds pretty good. Alright, so let's try 1800. Okay, so that should be 1800. Alright, so what happened there was my phase converter just tripped. And I will have to talk to my buddy that helped, actually came up with the diagram of the phase converter that I based mine off of. And what he did was he added some safety features in there that a lot of phase converters you buy off the shelf don't have. One of them is, you see that big dial there? Bought everything on eBay, so some of them look kind of funny, but what that is that senses the start capacitors, and if they're still on after a certain length of time, it'll kill the whole system. And it's like a safety feature that he added, so that if there was a malfunction and the start capacitors just kept getting charged, it wouldn't happen. It'll kill the whole system so they don't blow up. But I'll have to ask him if I can set it up. I think I have it set for about 2 or 3 seconds. But for some reason, at 1800 RPM, this thing just has too much of a load for it, for that phase converter. It's a 10 horse phase converter, so I'm not sure. If you have any ideas, let me know.